In this video, I will show you how to post store on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can actually head over and cancel our plan or cancel the trial that you're in. So head over to your settings and then head over in here to your plan. And then from in here, you should be able to see in here an option for cancel. So head over and cancel this. Once you have head over and click on this will actually help you deactivate your actual plan. And then this in turn will make your store paused. So just choose the main reason where you're doing this. So for example, let's head over and choose this, I'm not making enough sales, and click on continue. Click on this deactivate store. And once it's been deactivated, all of the things that you have, including your store, will be able to be paused. And in here on this new page that will appear, you can see that your information will be stored for 2 years. And if you try to reopen your store, you can actually just subscribe from in there. So in that way, once your store is activated, it will be considered as paused. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.